Y'all ready for this? D78 in the building. You know who it is. Heavy in the corner pocket. J Skills to my right. Young Pops. We gon' blow it up. And we coming for the gold, man. Let's go.
We got that hustle and grind. We on that new. We got that hustle and grind. Taking it to you. We going all out. Shot calling all out. This is more than a game. Setting it straight. Just remember the name.
Step in my way, you can get run over. Your game tight, but mine much colder. Count on me, got hard like a soldier. I'm the real thing, but you just a poser. Holding paper like a folder, and we come at least 5 deep when we roll up. And they cheering when we show up. You and your homies getting no love, and we on like man. The pretty young ladies love to call me the man. You got no chance, we blow right past, and we celebrate our victory with drinks in our hands. If you want it, come and take that. I'll show you how I roll, bend over and I'll spank that. Stick a fork in it, cause a fat lady sang that. It's a rap, so just show me what I bang. Yeah.
We got that hustle and grind. We on that new. We got
Fammi da
that
tasso.
hustle and
Qual
grind.
fatto?
Taking it to you. We going all out. Shot calling all out. This is more than a game. Setting it straight. Just remember the name.
Take it to the right like a monster. Jumping up the gym, king of jungle, I'm Mufasa. When it come to ball, I wrote the main script. Yes, I am the man for this, regardless of the planet. Chick, I'm smoking like a cancer stick. Be rolling on your head now, look. MJ, fade away like swoosh. Back to the ballin'. Yeah, the money calling, but I had to ignore it. I'm in love with my spalding. Freedom champion, you know we going for the gold. Freedom champion, we way up here, we all alone. Haha, can you catch up? Friday night, I'm hotter than a kettle, so I'm fresh about the pie. My pedal to the metal.